Alright guys, evaluate giving your answers as fractions. Question 1, 2 over 5 plus 1 over 6. First we find the denominator. Multiply 5 times 6, that's a 30. 5 into 30 we get a 6. Multiply by 2, 12 plus 6 into 35 multiplied by 1, that's a 5. It's equals to 12 plus 5, that's 17 over 30. That's our answer, guys. Question 2, 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 3 equal to 1 over 4. We change the division sign to a multiplication sign, then we interchange 3 on top, then 2 at the bottom. So we multiply 1 times 3, then we get a 3. 4 times 2, then we get a 8. That's the answer. Next question. 1 and a 1 over 5 minus 1 and a minus 1 over 1 and a third. 5 times 1 plus 1, that's 6 over 5 minus 1 over 3. Our common denominator is 15. 5 into 15, we get a 3. Multiply by 6, that's an 18. 3 into 15, we get a 5. Multiply by 1, that's a 5. 18 minus 5, we get a 13 over 15. That's our answer. Calculate the executive value of 72 multiplied by 0,03. Forget about the zeros. Just say 72 multiplied by 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. 7 times 3, that's 21. Our main digits after the comma, 2 digits, they will say. So our answer will be 2,16. 1, 2. Yes. Next question. 72 divided by 0,03. We'll say 72 over 0,03. Multiply the numerator with 100 and also the denominator with 100. So we'll get 7,200 divided by 2 divided by 3. So 7,200 divided by 3, you get 2,400. 2,400. That will be our answer. Our next question. The square root of 0,0004. Let's break it down. This equals to get the movement 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square root of 4 divided by 10,000. Sorry about that. The square root of 4 divided by, so the 0 before the comma will be represented by 1. And look at the movement after the comma. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will be represented by 4 zeros. So it will be the square root of 4 divided by 10,000. The square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 10,000 is 100. So we say 2 divided by 100, we will get 0.02. Then you get 0.02. Our next equation, 0.8 multiplied by 0.04. Forget about the zeros, guys. Let's multiply 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32. How many digits did we have after the comma? We have 3 digits. So we say 0.032. That's our answer. Next equation, the square root of 36 million is equals to the square root of 36. Now let's break it down. So multiply by 36 will be represented by 1. Then we include the number of zeros. We have 6 zeros, so it will be multiplied by 1 million. The square root of 6 is 6, and the square root of 1 million is 1000. 6 multiplied by 1000, that's 6000. 6000. That's our answer, guys. Our next question, guys. 1 over 0.04 1 over 0.04, we multiply the numerator multiply by 100 and the denominator by 100. So 1 times 100, that's 100, and 0.04 multiplied by 100, that's a 4. Then you say 4 into 100, we'll get a 25. Our next question, guys. 0.3 in brackets to the power 3. Let's break it down. 0.3 multiplied by 0.3 multiplied by 0.3. Forget about the zeros. 3 times 3 times 3, we get a 27. So how many digits? After the comma? How many digits after the comma? We have 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 digits after the comma, so our answer will be 0,027. That's our answer, guys. Question, guys. Our next question, guys. Express 0.45 as a fraction in its lowest terms. Suggested answer: 0.45 divided by 100 and multiplied by 100. So we get a 45 over 100. So we get a 45 over 100. Then we divide the numerator with 5 and the denominator with 5. 5 into 45 is 9. 5 into 100, that's a 9 over 20. Next question: express 28% as a fraction in its lowest terms. 28 divided by 100. 28 divided by 100. So let's find the number we can use. We can both use divide, either to divide the denominator and the numerator is 4. So 4 into 28, that's 7. 4 into 100, that's 25. Express 2 over 7 as a decimal, giving your answer corrected to 2 decimal places. 2 over 7, 2 over 7. Seven into 2, that's 7 into 20. We get a 2. Remainder 6. A 2, remainder 6. So 7 into 60, we get 8, remainder 4. Now into 40, that's a 5, remainder 5. But not correct to 2 decimal places. So we'll be okay. So we are going to focus on 8. So the next number after 8 is 5. Is it above or below 5? Is above. So our 8 becomes 9. So our answer will be 0.29. If it was less, if the 5 was 4, then we won't change anything on the figure 8. That's our answer there, guys. Our next question: express 35% as a fraction in its lowest terms. 35 divided by 100. It's equals to 35 divided by 100. We can use a 5 on this one, divided by 5 on the numerator and divided by 5 on the denominator. 5 into 35, that's 7. 5 into 100, that's 25. That's our answer.